617, I set by. Live like a king. 617, I step hard. Ain't built like me. 617, I sell y'all a bunch of feet. 617, I bet y'all ain't built like me. Listen, nobody wants.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Fahim and I am back with another video. And in today's video, as you guys saw by the title, I will be installing H.I.C side window visors and the rear window visor. So in this video, basically right now I'm going to show you guys what the visors look like so you guys have an idea. Then I'm going to be strapping up the GoPro to my head so you guys can get a point of view of how I installed the visors myself. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I'll give you a quick time lapse of it. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Now let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the box that the side visors and the rear visors came in. I'm going to show you what I can here. We got some bubble wrap. Throw that in the car. And yep, so this one right here is the rear. I'll take it out the packaging so you guys can see better, but you guys see it's 3M. The 3M tapes all along there. I'll take that out the package in a bit. Put that in there. And then these are the 4 window visors all in this one. You guys can also see the 3M tape again. So it's all 3M. It should be an easy install. So let me get these out the plastic and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I took the plastic off the rear visor. This is what it looks like right here. As you guys can see, H.I.C from the company that I bought it from. And this is going to be the side that we're sticking onto the rear. And this is the 3M tape. We'll peel it off. And yeah, so I'm about to strap up the GoPro to my head real quick and I'll show you guys how I install this. So let's do that. Alright guys, so I am here. As you guys can see, all you want to do is take this sticker off for the 3M. Peel it off a little bit. It's kind of hard, especially if you got small nails, which is what I have right now. Oh. Alright. Boom. Alright, you only want to peel it off a little bit. You don't want to peel the whole thing off. We'll peel the whole thing off after we align it. So I got it exactly the way I want it. Don't want to stick it on and it's not aligned right. And boom, there we go. Alright, so basically it's gonna go like that. Over is gonna be on each corner and it's just gonna lay flat. It won't be flat, like it's gonna be over a little bit. So basically you just want to align the corners, and once you got the corners, it'll be all good. Don't want to lay it flat down right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel one side and I'll stick off one side. Oh no, don't tell me. This is a whole nother piece right here. Alright. So take this side off as well. Alright, so we peeled those sides off. I'll get that up later. So basically just want to align one side up perfectly, which I'm doing right here. You want to push it down so you know it's really sticking. Push all this down. And we'll go to the other side now. And as you can see, it's already aligned up well. So we'll peel this part off. I gotta peel this other side of the red. This one was easier. Boom, peeled that off. I'll hold that for a second. And boom. And just like that, it is installed. We got the corners. If you can realize, there were 3 stickers right here, but it's on this black part of the rear windshield, so it won't matter. You won't be able to see it. And I tried to take it off and it was not a clean sticker to come off, which is why I didn't take those off. But yeah, let's just wipe this down the middle, you know, so it sticks perfectly fine. Make sure it sticks on. Apply pressure so you know it's good. That's what I'm doing right now. All right, we'll go back to the other side. Apply pressure along this corner again. And yeah, that's about it. And this is how it looks with the visor on. Yeah, I think it looks solid. I think it looks great. As you guys can see, it has a little bit of a lift. I'll record another clip with my phone, but yeah, that's how we installed that. I'm gonna show you guys the side visors on my phone, and then I'll come back to the GoPro and give you guys a time lapse. So let's go. All right, guys. So I only took one out. I'm gonna take the rest out while I do it. But this is the one for the back right door. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can tell in the sun because it's got a reflection to it. But this is what it looks like. There's a little like dent here. You guys can see it's like a molding. So that goes along that side. You'll see how it all looks together. I think it'll look good. And it's the same thing. It's got the 3M adhesive. So we're gonna peel those off and just stick it on, apply pressure like I did. So yeah, we'll go right back to the GoPro and I'll put these on. So guys, what you want to do is basically you're going to be aligning it with this piece right here. So the sticky side will obviously go right there. You basically just want to align it up just like that. You don't want to stick it all the way up because it's not going to be sticking onto anything. There's a gap here. You want to align it right onto this piece only. So just like this, we'll do that, and this is basically how it will look, and we'll stick it on. So let's take this 3M tape off again. It's like my worst nightmare right here. Taking these things off is a hassle, especially if you don't have nails. I kind of have nails, but it's still hard. Alright. Got one. Put that trash in my pockets. Just got a scam likely call. Deny. Freaking scam callers. Alright, we'll take this piece off. Got one more side here. Alright. You only get one shot, so let's align this up perfectly. And that's it. Literally, that is it, guys. Just align it up and push down on the parts where the 3M tape is sticking to the car. Apply pressure so we know it stays. All right, let's pat it down another time just to make sure. Pat all that down. Boom. Just like that. That is one window visor. Let's do the next one. All right, so I showed you guys, I'm not going to talk over it. I'll give you guys a little time lapse, so we'll do that.
Yeah. I was just trying to. Yeah. I was just trying to. Yeah. I was just trying to have that conversation. I've been sick of these bitches, been sipping this liquor. I've been mixed up in feelings, got caught up in the middle. I ain't loving these women, young thought I could trust her. I don't have no regrets, except the moment I loved her. That's the moment I fucked up. I thought I could trust her, took my heart and she cut it, but she ain't fucking another. Betray what I love was on some Nami or sushi. And your parents are stupid, look at the way you've been moving. Look at what you've been doing, you gotta think for a second. Thought the word that's around you, I try to reach out and help you. Hold you down and surround you with something different that value. But your mind has been clouded, never mind, that's the saddest. I've been sick of these bitches, been sipping this liquor. I've been mixed up in feelings, got caught up in the middle. I ain't loving these women, young thought I could trust her. I don't have no regrets, except the moment I loved her. Baby, how could you do this? I asked you directly about your love, can you prove it? I still wait on that message, guess she never got to it. How is love so subjective, but emotions are fluid. Mental state have been tested, healing scars I've been through it. When you tell me you love me, say you there when I need it. How can I comprehend that, because the way I've been treated? I got so much on my plate, and when you tell me I'm leaving, how is us to escape? You know the truth, I won't even, don't give a fuck what they say. What you do for some reason won't hit me up all day. Apologize, I don't mean it, I get a cup if you say, because this evening I'm leaving. I've been sick of these bitches, been sipping this liquor. I've been mixed up in feelings, got caught up in the middle. I ain't loving these women, young thought I could trust her. I don't have no regrets, except the moment I loved her.
Alright guys, so I did finish installing it. So this is the right side of the car with the visors on. So this is what it looks like. I know there's a lot of reflections, so I don't know if you guys can tell how good it looks, but I think it looks really good. I think adding this molding right here gives it a more aggressive look. I think it looks really good with that. So that's what that one looks like. This is the right side of the car, and this is with the rear visor on. You guys can see it from here. That's how that one is on. And like I said, there is a little bit of a gap. That's the little gap right there. But this is what the back of the car looks like with the visors. I think it looks really clean. It gives it a nice subtle look. And this is the left side with the visors. Same thing. I think it looks really good all together. The all black look with the molding, I think it looks really clean, especially the tint, everything all together, the whole car together. It just looks a lot cleaner. But yeah, this is what the whole car looks like. I'll give another walk around for you guys. So what I didn't mention is what you have to do. You have to wash your car before you install any of this 3M. So that's one thing you guys got to do. I did do that before I just recorded this video and installed them. I did go get a car wash. So the car is looking a lot cleaner. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that. That's how the car looks. So alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that time lapse that I did. I'll put a little bit of music over it, but yeah, that's basically how I installed the visors. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the point of view that I gave. And my only thing is just wash your car before you do it. I did get a car wash before I did this, and just align everything the way you want it. Make sure it's aligned correctly so when you stick it on, you know it's gonna look good, it's gonna look clean all together. That's what I did. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really easy install. It's all 3M tape, so no screws or nothing like that. So it's real easy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'm about to do right now actually is I'm going to be recording the next video that you guys will see after this one. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I already have the box here in the car. Right here, so this right here is the spoiler aero flap that I got. So I'm going to be installing that right now, but I'll make it into another video. So yeah, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Won't smoke nobody. I just roll 4 blunts, more Ivy. Hey, ball pocket in the corner.